So very good message given by Arya in her speech. कोई सफलता कहता है, कोई मंजिल समझता है, मगर छात्रों की कमजोरी तो एक शिक्षक ही समझ सकता है. So moving on to our next participant, I would like to call here Palak Patrakar to express her thoughts before us. So guys, clap for her.
जीवन जितना सस्ता है माँ बाप के प्यार से, उतना ही महकता है गुरु के आशीर्वाद से. जीवन जितना सस्ता है माँ बाप के प्यार से, उतना ही महकता है गुरु के आशीर्वाद से. So good morning everyone and all present here. Honorable Vandile sir, respected Pratik sir and all my dear friends. Today we are celebrating the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. And our Teachers' Day is celebrated to honor the memory of India's Vice President. And he was a really great person. Radhakrishnan became the first Vice President of the India in the 1952. He wrote several articles and he was awarded India's highest civil honor. Then Radhakrishnan also helped Radhakrishnan also helped us to new generation for gave they some general knowledge as well as it choose a right path of the success. And Radhakrishnan always asked to the all students, teachers' determination and sincerity will shape the destiny of the nation as they are laying the foundation and the building blocks of the society. In fact, India's gave him the status of Vishwaguru. That means leader of education, master of education. So by giving high respect to teachers, whom he said to encourage students to think critically about issues and concerning the nation. So the Teachers' Day is important to students because of they give us golden chance to understand our teachers and teachers' duty. मेरी कलम जो आज इतना कुछ लिखती है, मेरी कलम जो आज इतना कुछ लिखती है, और कुछ नहीं, सिर्फ मेरे गुरु की मेहनत दिखती है, सिर्फ मेरे गुरु की मेहनत दिखती है. So friends, focus here. I tell you one interesting incident. One day, India's president called the other country president to take a meeting, and then 5 to 6 minutes conversation meeting is fixed after 5 to 6 days. Then after 5 to 6 days, India's president went to the other country. Then every country rule who some VIP guests come in our country, so driver dropped them on the airport. But this day driver is not came on the airport for drop the president. Then after 5 to 10 minutes, driver's place other country president came on the airport for drop India's president. Then president surprised. Then president asked to other country president, what happened? Why are you come to drop me? You call the driver and driver dropped me. But then some seconds other country president answered, sir, you did not remember me, but I remember you. You are my teacher and you are also guide me. So friends, as we become very big and powerful person, but we should not forget the contribution of our teacher in our successful life. आपने ऐसे पाठ पढ़ाए उज्जवल भाग हमारे हो गए. आपने ऐसे पाठ पढ़ाए उज्जवल भाग हमारे हो गए. आप जैसे दीपक की रोशनी में ही तो हम लोग सितारे हो गए. धरती पर हो पूजा आपकी, बुलंदी आसमां पर हो. धरती पर हो पूजा आपकी, बुलंदी आसमां पर हो. भगवान करे कि आपके चर्चे हर स्टूडेंट की जुबां पर हो. थैंक यू.